On this episode today, we're installing the Peterson pocket door system. But again, as you saw the previous videos, we put together a 8-foot long beam with a hollow 160B track and wheels. And we modified this header so that we could have a 2 1/4 inch thick door. So it's a wide door, thick door, and heavy. So follow us today and you'll see how we install this Peterson pocket door system. So when installing a heavy duty door and you have a longer track, or if you just have a 250-pound door and you have a 3.0 door, you would need this extra bracket. And this bracket you can adjust in between in case you have any deflection. So notice the two end brackets. You have the end bracket that's going one direction. The middle one is spun around another direction so that we can mount that to an extra block so we can keep this beam flat at all times. On the next video, we'll be installing the oak trim around the heavy pocket door, extra wide and extra heavy pocket door. So if you like these videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up and comment about our videos. Thanks for watching.